Now, Reinas Cup founder Near Oxford is lauding the growth of the tournament in helping to lift the standard of the women's game and giving opportunities to players, especially those in the under-20 age category. As you'll hear in this report, Reinas Academy retained their title after defeating Los Perfectos 3-0 on penalties in the final.
Outside the Easter Schoolgirl football competition, the Reinas Cup is one tournament that is helping not just with the growth and development of the game, but to the players as well.
This tournament has been around for 5 years, and within that 5 years we sent away 60 girls from the Reinas Cup to overseas schools and colleges. And that's what we are about, girls coming out, playing the game, learning the game, having something for themselves. So yes, we're gone 5, we have about 50 more to go.
The more the girls play, the better they'll be. And I think I can't tell when last I've been in a women's game that was this competitive. Defenders actually defending, no kick and miss. The girls playing combinational play and all of that. So it speaks well for Jamaica's football, women's football. And the best thing is that this was an under-20 competition, and on both sides, you show a lot of competence.
Organizer New Oxford says it keeps getting better and better with the aim to extend the reach.
We've turned away teams this year. We've had in this tournament teams from as far as Westmoreland all the way to St. Thomas. This being the 5th year is when we step it up now, and we have now a game plan to ensure that we have about 12 teams. So after the Premier League is over, under 20 girls can now move into a league of their own that will play over the summer.
Meanwhile, Reinas Academy came from 2 goals down to secure a 3rd consecutive title in the under 20 women's Issa Construction Winley Sportswear Reinas Cup. Following a 0-0 first half, Los Perfectos took the lead in the 46th minute courtesy of Danish Karatri. Chanel Walters then doubled the Manchester team's advantage in the 54th minute. However, the defending champions fought back, scoring 2 goals in 2 minutes. Olivia Ashburn found the back of the net in minute 71, half in the deficit. A minute later, Shanae Ashley levelled the proceedings. Following the regular time 2-all scoreline, the game went to penalties. Reinas Academy held their nerve, converting all 3 attempts, while Los Perfectos failed to convert their 3 spot kicks.
We were unbeaten in this tournament for the past 4 years from open play. So we knew that somewhere in the game we would have gotten a goal, and once we got the first one, we know it will come after. A very good game of football. It's a good feeling. These girls have been training hard. These girls are the same girls who played for Real Mona in the Women's Premier League, the same girls who played for Merle Grove in schoolgirl football. They've been playing hard from November, going at it, and it's the best way to end the season.
Our girls, to be honest, we don't train and stuff like that, so they come out every Saturday and they give it their all. I think we were somewhat impacted by the holiday because we're from all the way down Manchester. Some of the girls couldn't have made it because of taxi issues, so we could even make some changes. So as such, it was a battle between endurance and nutrition and, attrition, and I think that's what Reinas used to win the cup.
In the meantime, Alexa Evans was named the tournament's MVP.
It's a great feeling because I've worked hard. All of us have worked hard, but I think I really deserved it.
Adriana Morris was voted the final MVP. Ashburn was the competition's leading goal scorer. Nashika Spence walked away the best defender, and the Golden Gloves award went to Anastasia Green. Realma Bay finished 3rd in the tournament. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.